guys? Hey guys, it's SBC Midwest here, and today is the MPX weekly test. Let's turn on one of my radios.
Early in the morning, rain, snow during the day, little or no snow.
Let's go.
Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, snow, possibly mixed with rain in the evening. Then a chance of rain and snow overnight.
Try some of these on.
Little or no snow accumulation. Lows in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Thursday, cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. North winds 10 to 15
Alright.
miles an hour. Thursday night.
12:59.
Lows around 30. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, breezy. Partly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain, possibly mixed with snow. Highs in the lower 40s. Friday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow in the evening. Lows in the mid.
Alright, what time is it?
Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 30s.
It's almost time.
Saturday night, mostly clear.
They haven't changed this for some reason. I don't know if they even do.
Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s.
Oh god.
Monday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain and snow in the afternoon.
1 p.m.
Highs in the mid-40s.
Hey.
Monday night, partly cloudy. A chance of
Oh
rain
god.
and snow in the evening. Then a chance of snow overnight. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of snow, possibly mixed with rain. Highs in the upper 30s.
Come on, EA. Not right now.
Central Wisconsin, including Eau Claire, Menominee, and Chippewa Falls for today. A slight chance of snow early in the morning. Rain. Snow during the day. Little or no snow accumulation. Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near
Dude, not right now.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For this afternoon and tonight, a wintry mix of rain and snow will transition to mostly rain by this afternoon as temperatures warm into the upper 30s to low 40s. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Winds are likely on Friday with wind gusts around 40 miles per hour possible. Skywatch spotter activation will not be needed. This is weather radio station WXJ. Serving.
Oh, here we go. Oh! Dude. Oh god. I shut them off.
Central Wisconsin. Very dangerous for the situation, especially if the radios are correctly permitted to warn for the hazard. These radios are only conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m.
Bruh. Bruh.
Is a normal test time.
Unrecognized message.
Until the next good weather day.
You didn't even go off. You didn't go off either.
Warnings.
Neither you went off. You went off. You went off too.
Current time is 1:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now the forecast for west central Wisconsin, including Eau Claire,
Which one?
Menominee, and Chippewa Falls. Today, a slight chance of snow early in the morning. Rain.
Oh my god, dude. That is crazy. Whoa, that's crazy.